Hello everyone, welcome to the channel review from Upper Arlington. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel review from Upper Arlington. And today we're gonna look up. Well, would you please shut? And today we're gonna look up Skibidi Cooking from my friend. And enjoy this video and Skibidi Cooking or my friend, you better watch this video. And you'll like my video. You'll like my video! Yep, you got 7 subscribers and 3 videos. I got 40,000! Nice profile picture there, buddy. Let's watch the newest video.
Be Sigma and have your iPad charged.
Wait. You added Be Sigma and then your iPad charged.
Welcome to Skibidi Cooking.
Their spot. Wait, give it up.
You seriously fast forward the video and you don't know what they're saying. You just fast forward the video.
Where's your rock? It's over here. Wait, no, it's not too stinky. Right here. That's my rock. This? Yeah. Don't film my feet! It's a small rock. Get it away from my phone!
You screamed. You screamed! Who wrote that?
So
This is a middle schooler.
I know it was not you, but it's done and done, so might as well use it for a channel.
Owie. It feels so nice.
It's actually so pretty in here.
Then what do you mean, owie? It hurts more.
Guys, what's the date today?
7 July.
Is it 20 something? The 20, so September 21st, 2024. So,
Days after 9/11.
not the 9/11 anniversary, not actual 9/11.
Yeah, I'll pass. Yeah, this is gonna take forever. I'll just wait here for like 12 minutes.
A few moments later.
Wait, why is it welcome?
My thanks are gonna help me make it. Okay.
Guys, is my camera working? Is it high quality? I don't know if it's high quality. Forget it. I'm using low quality. Yeah, that's better. Oh my god, I have low quality. Up, time to watch that second video. And by the way, what is that thumbnail? That is weird. Nice job, my friend. You used my crazy picture. Where'd you go, buddy?
Make me a cake,
Of course, you fast forward the video again. Jeez.
Are you done making that cake, woman?
Yeah, that's funny. That tastes good.
Wow.
Oh yeah, that tastes good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Do a better job, woman. Look at what you got me into. I'm trying to eat it with my hands and put it in my mouth hole, and it wasn't working, so I got angry, and my alphas helped me smash this cake. Woman, you need cooking lessons.
Okay.
Wow.
That ASMR seems so satisfying. Oh, that's so satisfying. Hey, Skibbity Cooking, I got a question for you. Why are you fast forwarding your video like all the time? Tap in the comments down below. Yeah, tap in the comments. Huh. Oh yeah, if you go into this pod, you'll hear someone laugh. Like, watch this and hear this. Did you hear that? Let's play that again, shall we? Let's watch this third video. Finally, no more brainwash. I am done. And what is that thumbnail? Like, what?
I'm using my rose toy. I'm using my rose
Hello! This is Sigma Cooking.
Oh, you messed up your username. You name it Sigma Cooking.
This we are going to be cooking slime with glue. With special guest Sophie. From what did you do?
Oh yeah, my friend told that Sophie plays
Don't
up,
forget to like and
yeah.
subscribe, and we are going to start the video now. Okay. First, we are going to start with this glue. You ready? This is very cool. This is tutorial on how to make slime. We know how to make slime. Trust.
You screamed again.
This is a kids channel for Skibbity Cooking, everyone. Remember, buy our merch today. Buy our merch today.
Huh? Buy our merch that exists.
You don't have any more. Okay, you know what?
Okay.
Hold on, I'm gonna pause this video. You know what? I'm gonna make a note for saying something. Just give me a second while I pause this. To Skibbity Cooking, I'm done from me. Alright, that's the end of the video. I hope you like and subscribe this video. And Skibbity Cooking, I hope you like my video. And subscribe to my channel. Oh, I think you subscribe to my channel. And I'll rate this channel 9 out of 10. Yeah, 9 out of 10. Peace. I didn't know what my peace sign is. Forget it.